on behalf of Let Us Talk and everyone present here, I would like to welcome all the honorable guests here. Of course, none of them need actually any kind of introduction because they all are so great in their personalities and in their doings and whatever they have been serving for the nation. So I feel very tiny to actually, introduce them to every one of you here. But to start with, we have here BK Shivani Didi. This is a name which actually no introduction is needed, and she's known for her excellency in empowering spiritual consciousness and awarded prestigious Nari Shakti Award. She conducts motivational courses through public seminar and television series Awakening with Brahma Kumaris. We have Padma Shri Dhanraj Pillai here, who has actually invested his 15 years of life to represent India in international matches. He is and will always be remembered as a colorful and a charismatic player we have in Indian hockey so far. And then we have our very own Mr. Vivek Oberoi, who is like a very renowned face in household things, like who along being with a very talented actor is also gifted naturally of his leadership qualities. He has involved himself with many causes which are related for social development, and he has been doing a wonderful job for all of us here. I mean, for the nation over here. So, a very tiny introduction about Let Us Talk as well. We at Let Us Talk Foundation try to create awareness about mental health, which is very important and very necessary seeing the current scenario we are into right now. Because the way COVID has spreaded and the way people have actually started getting into a situation which is very new and it has impacted mentally very, very harshly. So we here with this medium will like to actually share our own experiences and guidance from Shivani Didi, how they can actually overcome with all these mental blockages they have. This is all I have to say about Let Us Talk organization. And now to start with, I would like to have our first question with Dhanraj sir. Dhanraj sir, we have been knowing you since childhood. Like, we have been studying about it. We have been reading about ups and downs, how you have been gone through. So, I understand like this has been a very traumatic journey in terms of your mental health. And that time the resources were not too available to take care and how to keep track of your mental health. So what was the important thing which you have actually learned so far to be mentally positive or to keep yourself mentally healthy?
Yes, I would say yes, because when I was playing for the country, dream to bring Olympic gold medal. और मुझे लगता है कि हर वो एथलीट जब अपने देश के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ही ड्रीम्स टू विन ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल. और मैं 4 ओलंपिक खेल चुका हूँ, लेकिन मेरे पास एक मेडल नहीं है दिखाने के लिए कि मैं, है ना, मेरे पास एक मेडल है. और it was my last Olympics in Athens. I felt that definitely I can do something for my country, but वहां भी मैं फेल हो गया और बहुत समय लगा मुझे उसमें से निकलने के लिए. I think I was locked down like 3 to 4 days in Olympic village और रूम से बाहर नहीं निकलता था. उसके बाद फिर मैं बाहर निकलने की कोशिश किया मैंने कि आई शुड कम आउट एंड अगेन यू शुड प्ले फॉर द कंट्री एंड व्हाटएवर हैपन लीव बिहाइंड एंड लेट्स कंसंट्रेट फॉर न्यू बिगनिंग. और फिर मैं सिडनी के बाद एथेंस ओलंपिक्स तक खेलता रहा. इट इज अ चैलेंज. आई थिंक एवरी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन गोज थ्रू दिस काइंड ऑफ अ लाइफ. और one athlete has to keep his mental toughness very strong. और उसी के साथ मैं खेलता रहा. 15 साल अपने देश के लिए खेला, लेकिन वो रिग्रेट आज भी है मेरे जहन में और मुझे आज भी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी हॉकी टीम एक ओलंपिक मेडल जीत कर लाए, तो इट विल बी माय ड्रीम टू सी दैट माय हॉकी टीम हैज वॉन द गोल्ड मेडल.
So I just need to understand during that particular time when there was so much of जब आपके साथ में बहुत कुछ हो रहा था, like you said, एक point पे you actually isolated yourself. उस time पे what was the thing or what was the one particular thing which help you to come out of that zone? Like we right now the situation if we talk about currently सब लोगों को यही लगता है कि we are stuck. Whomsoever we talk these days, everyone is stuck. So, whether be it a child who cannot go out to play, whether be students, they cannot go to school. Like the young age, I mean, so young children, जो अभी school से pass out हुए हैं, everyone is stuck. So, what kind of advice or what kind of your experience you will like to share with them? Like, what motivated you to come out of that zone? So which everyone can actually follow, and the situation we are into right now could be easily pass through with it.
मुझे लगता है हम सभी लोग लॉकडाउन में हैं और घर में बैठ के भी आप अपने आप को फिट रख सकते हैं, और हाउ यू मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आज की तारीख अगर आप देखोगे तो ना आपके साथ पैसा काम आएगा, फ्रेंडशिप आप मिल नहीं सकते. जो कुछ भी आपको करना है आपका, आई थिंक यू हैव टू बी फोकस इनफ टू फेस दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन. और अपने आप को इतना मोटिवेट कीजिए कि लॉकडाउन खुलने के बाद में योर परफॉर्मेंस शुड बी मोर हायर देन एनीवन एल्स.
Right. That is really an awesome piece of advice from you.